Creepy, but cool birds. Freaky birds. What animals have feathers, beaks, wings, and lay eggs? Birds. Bird beaks have many shapes and sizes. Compare your hand to the great Indian hornbill's beak. More than 10,000 kinds of birds live on Earth today. Birds have adaptations to help them survive. Feet features. Songbird feet easily grasp branches and other perches. They have 3 toes pointed forward and 1 toe in back. Woodpeckers have 2 toes pointed forward and 2 in back, allowing them to climb up, down, and sideways. Water birds swim well, using their webbed feet like flippers. Shorebirds' long toes keep them from sinking in the soft mud and sand at the water's edge. Creepy or cool. Animals avoid eating the poisonous hooded pitohi of New Guinea. The hooded pitohi eats toxic beetles that make its skin and feathers poisonous. Some birds defend their territories. Vulturine guinea fowl males use their sharp beaks and leg spurs for striking other males that try to move in. Leg spurs. Vulturine guinea fowls have scabby, featherless faces with blood-red eyes. Other birds use camouflage as defense. Common patoos blend perfectly with tree bark. Careful observers will find the common patoo hidden on this tree. Filling their bellies. Birds have many weird but successful ways of getting food. Carnivores hunt prey. Loggerhead shrikes store prey on barbed wire, sharp thorns, or on tree trunks. Loggerhead shrike. Creepy or cool. Shoebills use their powerful hooked beaks to snap and crush water prey, such as fish, amphibians, snakes, and small crocodiles. Owls rule the night. They use keen hearing and large eyes to detect prey. Birds do not have teeth. Many carnivorous birds have sharp beaks for stabbing, cutting, or tearing prey into bites. A golden eagle has no need for a knife and fork. It slices and tears its dinner with its powerful beak. Eating the dead. Some birds perform a useful, though disturbing, duty. They eat smelly carrion. Marabou storks can grab and swallow over a pound, 600 grams, of meat in one gulp with their huge bills. A vulture's featherless head makes it easier to clean up after dining on the dead. Some carrion eaters, like Andean condors, have an excellent sense of smell for finding stinky treats. Eggs and chicks. Birds may attract mates with dance, song, or colorful plumage. Bower. While many animals use their good looks to get a mate, bower bird males build and decorate fancy rooms. or bowers. They may use shells, bones, plants, or colorful stolen swag. Creepy or cool. Lady turkeys fall madly in love when they spot a male turkey's bright red snood and wattle, the lumpy folds of skin on his beak and neck. It takes hard work to make a nest and care for eggs. Brood parasites take a shortcut. They lay eggs in the nests of other birds and let them raise their young. How strange that the American redstart does not realize she is feeding an imposter. Common cuckoo chicks beg loudly, grow quickly, and get all the food and attention. The bee hummingbird lays eggs the size of a pea. You need 2 hands to hold an ostrich egg. Creepy or cool. Southern yellow-billed hornbills, also known as flying bananas, use tree cavities for nesting. To protect the eggs, the parents close the nest hole with mud, with the female still inside. For weeks, the male passes food to the female through a small opening in the mud wall. Life cycle. 1. The female bird chooses a male bird as a mate. 2. They build a nest, a safe place for eggs and young. 3. The female lays eggs. 4. The eggs hatch. 5. The adult birds care for the young until they can fly and take care of themselves. 6. The young birds continue the cycle. Are these birds creepy or cool? Whatever you decide, their adaptations help them survive. Southern cassowary. Northern bald ibis. King vulture. Red-headed vulture. Creepy quiz. Match the adaptation to the body part. Adaptation for 1. Eating carrion. 2. Eating meat. 3. Night vision. 4. Attracting a mate. 5. Defense. A. Sharp beak. B. Colorful plumage. C. Sharp spurs. D. Featherless head. E. Big eyes. Glossary. Adaptations. Ad, ap, te, shuns. Ways groups of animals change over time to help them survive, including changes in the way they look and act. Brood parasites. Brood parasites. Birds that lay their eggs in the nests of other kinds of birds. Camouflage. Cam-a-flage. Colors or patterns that blend with the surroundings to help animals stay hidden. Carnivores. Car-na-vores. Animals that catch and eat other animals. Carrion. Car-e-yon. Bodies of dead animals. Plumage. Plumage. A bird's feathers. prey. Prey. Animals eaten by other animals. Toxic. Talk, sick. Poisonous or harmful to the body. Vulturine. Vul-ture-ine. Like a vulture in some way, such as having a featherless head or eating carrion.